What's going on, everybody? So today's video we're going to go ahead and re-pick back up on reinstalling the Rev9 downpipe on the 9th gen. If you guys watched the last video, you were able to see that we pulled it off again due to it cracking at the flex pipe again. The first time around it did break because I did not have a half support rear motor mount. So that is my fault. I did install a half support motor mount, and unfortunately it's been probably about like a year and a half now or so, and the flex pipe broke again. So we did remove it. We did have apply pressure, re-weld it, and we're gonna go over there and pick it up. Actually, I have my girl on the way over to pick it up because, as you can see, I'm still at work. I know this is the second video that I filmed at work. I usually don't film at work, but if I can get away with it, I will, and I guess we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull the car in my bay, and by the time it's in my bay, she should be here with the downpipe, so we can go ahead and start on that. And then we'll go ahead and do a cold start video and see what else we get into after that. See you guys in a minute. Oh yeah, little roll cart. And Big Bertha. Big Bertha, computer, roll cart, bucket. Nah, that's doable. That'll work. That'll work. Woo! Trying to put it in there. That cammed out mini truck though. That cammed out mini truck though. Watch out. Clean little cam mini truck. I think the cam is bigger than the truck.
Picking up the part for Babe. Here we are. All right, go ahead, lay it in there for me, bud. Nice and gentle. Good job. Tuck these pieces in. Tuck it in, that one too. All right, good job.
Thank you, big guy. Thank you. Well, as y'all can see, we are actually picking the car up from PYC because, long and short of the story, when you saw me pick the downpipe up, or I should say when you saw the downpipe get dropped off to me, the angle wasn't right, so I had to recut it and bolt the top section up really quick so I could drive the car over here so he could re-weld it properly. So now we're gonna go ahead and try to start it and go from there. Oh my Lord. It's coming out the back now. Holy shit, guys. Wow. It definitely sounds so much different like that. But anyways, big shout out to Apply Pressure. Make sure you guys go check him out. Instagram, anything you guys need, he's here. He's very local, very knowledgeable. As you can see, He's got parts on hand, does motor builds, normal services, everything. So yeah, make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll probably continue this video in a little bit. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, y'all don't understand how much different this car sounds right now. I'm not used to this anymore. Like, I'm really not. It sounds completely different. And obviously, no, I cannot do a pull at all. It is raining. Traction control's on, and it still just wants to spin, unfortunately. So, yeah, cannot do a pull. Sounds so different. It's crazy. So we made it home. Car sounds so much different. It's actually kind of quiet. Pop the hood, so we'll go ahead and get a shot of it. Got Babe rolling through. She thought she took me to pick the car up. How I got home before her, I don't know. But I did. God, her car's so clean. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the hood up on the bucket really quick. Got it. I don't know if I can get a shot down there. We're gonna see in a second. See if I zoom in. There you go. Well, you kind of see it. Yeah, new flex pipe is in. So go ahead and close out this video now. Y'all go ahead and make sure like, subscribe, drop a comment if you guys have not already, and yeah, make sure and hit us up for some merch. Definitely want to see everybody wearing some merch. All you subscribers out there, if you haven't already, go contact Blue Rose, get some merchandise, rep the content. Thank you.